All right, so this one I can now work out for you. So this is 180 degrees. So when you have angle TRQ and angle TRS, they make this beautiful line here. So that you know that these two angles add up to 180 degrees because together they make up a line. So they are a linear pair. They're not just supplementary. Supplementary would say that they don't have to be attached to each other, but as soon as they share a common ray, RT, and they add up to 180 degrees, then these are a linear pair. Okay. So we'll do 3x plus 5 is equal, nope. So we have one angle plus the other angle is equal to 180. So one angle plus another angle is equal to 180. So this says 3x plus 5 plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 180. My kids are screaming right now. So 3x plus 10x is 13x. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So we have 13x, add 2 to both sides, is equal to 182. Divide both sides by 13. Therefore, we have x equals 14. So it doesn't say that. It says find the measure of each angle. So if you got down to that part, that's really, really good because you got x equals 14. But make sure measure of angle TRQ is equal to 3 times 14 plus 5 because we have 3x plus 5. Okay, so we have 14 times 3, which is 42 plus 5 is equal to 47 degrees. And then you have two options, so you can either do, I'm sorry, my kids are screaming, I'm so sorry. You can do 180 minus 47. And I would actually do this both ways just because you want to double check. Like the math should work out based on the fact that you got x equals 14. But to just double check, you know that these two angles have to add up to 180 degrees anyway. So while I'll encourage the subtraction like here, I wouldn't like 100% rely on that without checking 14 and 10x. So we want to know measure of angle, that was weird, TRS is equal to 10 times 14 because I'm just substituting that 14 in there, and that's equal to 140 minus 7, which is 133. Okay, so when I found the x value, and then if it says find the measure of each angle, you're going to substitute x back in for both of the angles, and then you want to make sure, okay, is that true that 133 degrees plus 47 degrees, do those both equal together 180 degrees like the setup of the problem?